Our today's topic for discussion is vitamin K. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemistry, absorption, sources, function and deficiency of vitamin K. Chemically, vitamin K are quinones. Vitamin K1 is also called as phyloquinone, is the major form of the vitamin found in the plants, particularly in green leafy vegetables. Vitamin K2, also known as menaquinone, is the vitamin present in animals and synthesized by intestinal flora. They are the derivatives of naphthaquinone. This is the naphthaquinone ring and differ only in the side chain. This vitamin K1 and K2 contains naphthaquinone ring and differ only in the side chain. The phyloquinone contains the phytyl side chain, whereas the menaquinone contains polyisoprenoid side chain made up of 7 isoprene units. Now coming to the absorption. Vitamin K of dietary origin is absorbed in small intestine in the presence of bile salts. In mucosal cells of intestine, absorbed vitamin K is incorporated into chylomicrons. It reaches liver after entering circulation through the lymph, and the liver distributes vitamin K to other tissues. It rarely accumulates in the liver and peripheral tissues. Now, what are the functions of vitamin K? Vitamin K is required for the synthesis of blood clotting factors like prothrombin, that is factor 2, and cothromboplastin, that is factor 7. Also used in the synthesis of factor 9 and factor 10. It is required for the carboxylation of the gamma carbon atom of the glutamic residues of these factors. The gamma carboxylation generates calcium binding sites, which is essential for blood clotting process. Now the deficiency of vitamin K. Vitamin K deficiency is rare in adults because many of the food we eat contain adequate amount of K1 and the body makes K2 on its own. However, certain conditions and some drugs interfere with vitamin K absorption and creation, making it possible to become deficient. Deficiency is much more common in the infants. The condition is called as VKDB, that is the vitamin K deficiency bleeding. The main symptom of vitamin K deficiency is excessive bleeding. The bleeding may also be apparent if someone gets a small blood clots underneath their nails. Bleeds in mucous membranes that line areas inside the body also occurs and produces a stool that looks dark black and contains some blood. What are the sources? The plant sources are the cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, turnip greens, peas and soya bean are the resources. Animal sources include the beef liver, pork chops, chicken, etc. And the dairy products like cheese, butter and the farm products like eggs and liver are also good sources of vitamin K. So this is all about vitamin K. Thank you for your time.